When you type github.com on your browser tab and press enter, your system has no idea where to go. The computer only understands IP addresses, and also there is no big list of websites in your system. And internet is a massive library, so it asks someone who knows, and that someone name is DNS recursor. To find it, your device send a request to the DNS recursor, and think of a recursor as a helpful librarian. The librarian take your request and go on a quest to find the IP addresses for your domain. So to find it, it reach its first destination, the root name server. The root name server, it look into the query and tell the librarian which section to go into the library and point out the section. So the librarian go to the section and there it meet the TLD, the top level domain. The librarian hand the IP addresses to the TLD. The TLD look at the ending of the domain and see that it end with .com. So it tell the librarian go to the .com section. After that, the librarian read the .com section and here it meet the authoritative name server. This is the final step of the quest. The authoritative look into the bunch of books to find the exact meaning of github.com and extract the IP address and send it back to the DNS recursor. Then the DNS recursor send the request back to the device, and now your device have the IP addresses of the GitHub server and it connect with the GitHub server. And all this process took only millisecond, and that's how your device get the IP address. If you understand it, hit the like and subscribe button and see you in the next video. Bye bye.